Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to Apps Every Day. Today we're taking a look at my CarFax. So this is a handy little tool if you're like me, and I'd say most people, and you're constantly forgetting when you got your last oil change, when you need to do a tire rotation, or your general base in trade-in value. This app can handle all that and much more. It's totally free to download and to use, and what's nice is pretty much is either automated, or if you get service done at most reputable auto service centers, then the records will update automatically as well. So you see here at the top that I've obviously input all of my car. I'm not going to tap on it because then it shows VIN numbers and some personal information. But if you go into the glove box, you can see all of the details about that car specifically. The mileage does guesstimate based on the previous services when those records apply. Obviously, service centers put what your mileage was at, and then it will guesstimate how many miles you're probably at this point. But you'll see the little pencil icon that you can tap on, go in and add your specific mileage to help update it. You can see history-based value, which is basically showing if you were to trade it in, what the general value would be. And then again, those basic things like oil change. It will show you when your next service will be. For me, I've chosen my designated Valvoline nearby, so it makes it super easy if I wanted to schedule something. And then I've mine put in at every 6 months or 7,500 miles to put it in. And so that's what it's calculating based on. And again, everything has a manual option, so in case Valvoline or whoever didn't input in their records and it doesn't update on automatically, you can go in and hit add service and basically just input the information manually yourself. It will let you know when things are overdue. So for example, for me, tire rotations doesn't really have any latest records, and it's basically going to start yelling at you to be like, hey, you need to do this. On the bottom, you can see we're on our dashboard currently, but you can go into history, and this is going to show you everything involving the car, what sort of services it has completed. You can go into the schedule and it'll show you what the normal scheduled maintenance looks like for each mileage. So you can tap on here and see, like at 60,000 miles, these are the things that you or a auto service center will probably do. And then you even can guesstimate repair costs, which is really nice. So common repairs, you go AC, it will look at your zip code and basically give you the average price based on OEM parts. And the final one is the shops. I've favorited one of the Valvolines, and then it shows where I've gotten most of the service done besides basic oil changes on my car as well. Going all the way back to the home screen, here's what's called your garage. So if you have multiple cars, you can add them all into here. But yeah, my CarFax, very handy little tool. Thanks my CarFax for making this app. That's a quick look at the My CarFax app. It will be in the top of the description down below if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. And while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a like if you did, and make sure you get subscribed and come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.